facial.
Oh, facial, guys. He's gonna do my facial today.
Doing facial, I do for a very good skin and the tanning also everything clean. Then more glow for the after 2 days. So I start.
Yeah, okay. Do I have to lay down here?
For facial,
Okay.
like a more effect for the skin,
Ah.
much better glow.
Okay.
What about people who have acne? What kind of massage should they go for?
I say special body massage and like some treatment for the eye kizzy, shirodhara, kativasti, marma massage, meridian massage. I do many massages.
So you do all types of massages.
Yes.
And I did see that you do pregnant massage.
Yes, I
and
do
infant.
pregnancy massage also and baby massage also. And yogic massage. I do many massages. A proper course in Kerala.
Okay.
So please you like my video. Yes.
And come and visit this place.
Yes. I do well when people coming then I do the face massage free and full body massage. It's my normal charge is for the 1000 for one hour. I do the face massage for free for my all.
Okay,
So
okay.
did you hear that, guys? If you are coming through the Brown Phoenix if you see the video and come over here, you can simply tell him that you saw the video on my channel, and he's gonna offer you a free face massage.
We use for gel.
Guys, he hasn't completed the massage yet, but I already feel relaxed.
Feel my hand.
Yeah, feels good. So what are the benefits of this massage?
This is for the more glow for the face, and tanning also clean. And something you have pimples, this also clean.
So it cleans the pimples.
Yes, clean pimple and brightness for the skin, more glow. Okay.
Guys, unfortunately the face massage is finished, and I feel so fresh and my skin is so soft. I really loved it. I enjoyed each and every moment of the massage. It took approximately 40 to 45 minutes to complete the entire massage, and I would definitely recommend this place. So if you are coming to Goa, do not forget to come and visit Raj Spa and try out this amazing massage, which he's gonna offer you for free. So remember, a face massage is gonna be free if you're coming through my channel. And then if you want to go ahead and have your body massage, I would totally recommend it. Raj, thank you very much. It was amazing. Namaste. Bye guys.